everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Craftessa, and I am Vanessa. For today's super duper easy DIY, we're going to take 2 of the Dollar Tree ceramic coffee mugs, some Mod Podge, and the window Valentine's clings. Those are the clings you just put on the windows for holidays. I'm going to use those clings on these mugs to make Valentine's Day coffee mugs. Let's get crafting. So I'm just going to take the window clings, and first I'm going to see where exactly I'm going to place it on the mug. I'm just going to center it first, lay it out to see if I want to add any other of the window clings that are on this sheet to the mug. And the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the dishwasher safe Mod Podge. This way, if we use the dishwasher safe Mod Podge, I can wash this mug. I'm not going to wash it in the dishwasher. I am going to wash it by hand, but obviously it'll be used many times, so I want this design to last. So now I'm going to take the second mug and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to obviously use some different clings that are on the sheet. I think I'm just going to take one of the hearts. They're pretty glittery and shimmery, and that's the only thing I'm going to add to the mug, using the same exact technique I did for the first one, a little Mod Podge, and that's it. And that's it. Both of my mugs are done. I'm just going to let the Mod Podge dry and they're ready to use.